Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Rough Virus. If you don't know me.
Bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling.
Today, video will be not about wrapping cars. Today we are on the way to Hot Import Nights, Australia. I never been there before. I hope to have a good time. See some wrapped cars, because I know a few of them will be wrapped by me. I'm really excited to see them on the stand, and let's go there and check them. We're finally here, let's go in.
I see a sky with a reindeer car, but I'm not running. I see a train moving all too fast, but I'm not leaving.
I don't even know from where to start. Let's go this way.
I'll be right behind you, hawking the tree. You look so beautiful today.
Cars everywhere. Look to the right, look to the left. This one looks really cool. We can see most expensive cars in the show behind me. Behind me, two cars wrapped in it. Let's go and check them.
We got so much more coming up for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't go anywhere.
This Lambo wrapped by me, another Lambo partial wrapped by me, and Audi R8 wrapped by me.
Rated G.
I move at the speed of light, and this is something I wouldn't dare to think I would be doing. And you go round and round and round, keep your head up high. I'll be right behind you like a drone in the sky. You look so beautiful today, now the game is changing. Just like a string.
Looking good?
Looks perfect. Hot import night, not gonna be hot without hot girls. Oh my god. Let's check some gangsta cars. This car is fully wrapped in satin black with brushed black bonnet. So many wrapped cars in the show. Car behind me, fully wrapped. Car next to me, fully wrapped. Lambo, fully wrapped. Sometimes people just skip most difficult parts, like on this Lambo, mirrors is still painted. They are white, like car body. One second. They are difficult to do, very difficult. Wrapped car. Look at this custom built car behind me. Even engine bay is wrapped. And next to it we have McLaren wrapped in my favorite color from every Denison. Just look at it, it looks really good. Looking bike. That's it, guys. Show is over. We have seen so many wrap cars, custom built cars, off-road cars, custom bikes, and yeah, I'm very excited. I had a chance to visit the show. We're tired, going to have some dinner. Thank you for watching my videos. Follow, subscribe, and do all another stuff. And see you in the next video.